Hey guys, my name is Rituparna and I'm a travel and lifestyle blogger. And welcome to this beautiful city, Beer. Staying at this beautiful property called the Ramsay Villas. Villas, it's quite confusing for me. But I'm going to give you a room tour right now. So when you enter the door, you see the wardrobe right here. It's a decently good sized wardrobe and you can just see that it has a mirror, it has drawers, it has all the requisite things that you might be needing. Then here comes the washroom. It's a huge washroom and it will do. We've used the washroom in the morning, that's why it looks a little bit messy. On the right side of the door you have the bed, which is decent enough for 3 people, and I'm sure 3 people can easily fit into this bed. You have a lounge like situation, you have chairs and some table for your snacks and everything and for ordering some kind of dinner. You have a TV, then there's a huge window right here which gives this amazing view. I mean, just imagine waking up to this view would be so amazing every morning. But the highlight of the room has to be the balcony because it gives the same view and it is totally amazing. Here are my friends who are busy clicking their pictures right now, and guys, just check this view out. You see the landing site is right there. So now we're finally leaving our hotel to explore Beer, and let's see what we're going to do today. But right now we're very hungry, so we'll go someplace where we can have some good lunch, and I have the exact place in my mind and I really want to go to that place. So for lunch we've come to this cafe called the Silver Linings Cafe. It's one of the most popular cafes here in Beer and you should definitely come here. I've heard that the food is amazing. So after that amazing lunch, we are now at the Beer landing site, which is right behind me. And you can see a lot of people doing paragliding right here, and the sun is amazing right now. So after spending some time at the landing site, now we've just walked through the market and we're going to explore the monasteries that are in Beer. There are a number of monasteries here, and the first one we're going to is the Chokling Monastery. So let's see how it is. So what you guys see behind me is the Chokling Monasteries. It is one of the biggest monasteries that is located here in Beer and should be on your top list if you're coming to Beer. It's an absolutely stunning structure and words are not enough and camera is not going to do any justice to the beauty this monastery has. Let's go and check what is inside. Maybe due to the COVID restrictions, we're not supposed to enter the monastery. These kinds of signs are everywhere here. So unfortunately, we just have to adore the beauty that this place has from outside only. But I'm going to take you guys upstairs just to give you a sneak peek of what it is. So we're just sitting somewhere randomly, and unfortunately, all the monasteries here are closed on account of COVID. So we went to every monastery and we just visited the gate and we didn't do anything else. This information was not listed anywhere, so it's kind of freaky. Right now we're just enjoying this amazing sunset sort of situation and we're sitting at this beautiful place. Here are my friends, we're just chilling. My sister, my friend. We're doing nothing. We're just sitting in the middle of the road. Let's go to Billing, go for paragliding. I'm kind of shivering inside and let's see how the experience is. देखते हैं आसमान की ऊंचाई में आज क्या मिलता है. Right now guys, we are trekking to the waterfall. The way looks something like this एंड हम कहीं वहाँ से चढ़ के आए हैं. It's crazy and a bit difficult. Plus it's around 2 in the afternoon. So fitness पता चल रही है कि घर पे बैठ के क्या हुआ होगा. It's still a long way to go for us, and the waterfall is there. If you can hear it, let's get there. Really meticulous climbing scenes going on. बट आज हम वाटरफॉल पर जाकर रहेंगे. We've just come back to our hotel after the trek. We went to this cafe called Cloud9 for lunch, and the food was amazing. If you go there, I would highly recommend to try out their pizzas. It's my last day in Vail. Honestly, don't feel like leaving this place. The past 2 days were amazing. I hope you guys like this video. Please hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and share this with your friends. And I hope you guys plan a trip to Beer very, very soon. And yeah, signing off here. Bye.